Whether at a gaming desk, next to a gaming monitor, or elsewhere, PC builds can take up a ton of real estate. So why not opt for a case that saves on space, like a Mini-ITX case? For that, we have chosen the 6 Mini-ITX PC cases of 2023. Head over to our channel to watch its full video. Thank you.